Welcome to another review by the Prime Prospector. Today we will be reviewing the Eiffel chair, a dining room chair sold in a 2-pack, available at Costco both in-store and online, although it is cheaper in-store. It's described as a retro look with modern features. Currently it's only available in white. It features a solid polyurethane mold with foam seat cushion covered in white bonded leather. The legs are solid beech wood with a metal frame. It comes in a medium box weighing about 15 pounds or 6 kilograms. The box contains both seats that are wrapped in plastic. It contains both legs that come pre-wrapped in foam, avoiding scratching. There are 9 screws, which means there's 1 extra, and 1 Allen wrench, along with the envelope for the instructions that you probably will not need, as assembly is very straightforward and will take less than 5 minutes per chair. As you will notice in the video, the screw holes are pre-threaded in metal, avoiding the screws eating into the seat or coming loose in the future. This is important when you have people who like to lean back in the chair or children that fidget around, making the base unstable and the chair eventually start to wobble, no matter how much you tighten it. As mentioned previously, assembly is very straightforward. Start by placing the seat on the floor with the bottom up, as in the video. Then place the legs upside down and line up the metal subframe holes with the pre-threaded holes on the chair base. There is no front or back for the legs, so you may place them in any orientation. I decided against using my cordless torque wrench and used the Allen wrench provided to avoid over-tightening the screws. Try to keep the screws at symmetrical distances to the frame holes. As you can see in the video, I went clockwise, tightening each screw in order, coming back when I was happy that the base was sitting evenly. The seat height is about 20 inches or 50 centimeters. I am about 5'11" or 180. When sitting, my feet are flat on the floor, but the chair does feel a bit higher than your average dining room chair. Also, since the legs are not spread far apart, there is a risk of tipping if you lean too far back. Both the plastic and bonded leather are easily cleaned. We have had no issues removing even pasta stains that our children have left behind using just a wet cloth. In summary, the Eiffel chair is a very practical and economical option available at Costco. Assembly takes less than 5 minutes per chair and it has a very clean and pleasing aspect. Easy way to update or modernize your dining room. Thank you, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and follow us for future reviews.